going on? Thank you for stopping by Cartoon Review, where we review anything that consumer could buy. Today we're going to talk about, is it a good time to buy a iPhone SX, XS Max, or the SX, or the XR? Like, I have the model there. Being honest, you have to wait to see what new technology the new 2019 iPhones are gonna come out. Uh, they're gonna announce it according to rumors and iMac, and usually the dates they're gonna debut it in September 2019. So a few months from now. So if you don't have like if you have the urge to get it now, or you need a new phone now because your iPhone is messing up, or you have like an iPhone 7, or even maybe an iPhone 8, then I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. Unless you get a good deal or you buy an iPhone 10, then you could get it on eBay between 550 to 700. I'm gonna leave a couple of links below, see, or Amazon, but I like it depends. It depends how you use your phone. The XR is a good bang for your buck, and especially now if you got an iPhone 7, they have I seen sales that you trade it in, you get it for like 500, 550, which is not bad. You could also, and that's brand new from Apple, and then you could also get iPhone SX Max for like 800, 850 on eBay. There's a bunch of deals out there that you should look like. I wouldn't. Me personally, I have an iPhone 7, and I still don't find like the price point for them phones to like buy an iPhone Max right now. I'm gonna wait and see what new technology. I probably end up getting, like I probably end up getting something between, if I don't get the Max or the iPhone 10, and that's between. I'm not gonna get the SX, the XS, or the RR. I mean, the XR is a good phone, but for me personally, I want to have that dual camera. I want to have everything top. I'd rather just get, if I'm not getting the Max, I just get the X because I know I could get it. If I wait a little longer, I probably get a good deal like 450. I'm not gonna say new, but in good condition, 450, and which is nothing wrong getting a used phone. Believe it or not, it's nothing wrong. If you're getting it from Amazon, which you could, it has warranty on it, or you get a good a good salesman, or whatever they use on eBay, you could definitely find some good deals on it. And it's like, depending how you use your phone, like I said, you're not gonna see. I like big screens, so I'm leaning more into the Max, but I'm happy if I get the um 10 because the technology and the speed and everything compared to a 7, which I have now, I'm not complaining. It's pretty good. Even though my battery is a little shaky right now, I'm cool with it. But in a month or so, I'm thinking about it. Just getting the X if I get a good deal, and then later on see what technology the new phones bring in there. Because right now it's all rumors. Most the schematics and the model that is out there, they pretty on point. But I want to know the technology, and the most important part, the price point. The price point is what people go by if they could justify spending $1,000. And I don't, and be honest with you, that'll be another video. That'll be another video about the price point. So my opinion, if you have to upgrade, if you need to upgrade right now, go ahead, but look for deals, look around, wait a week. You might, the weekends usually that's when they throw all the little deals. Apple's doing a lot of deals on the Mac, so I wouldn't even be surprised if they just start bringing down the prices on the iPhone and boost up their sales. So I will wait. Step one, well, option one, wait couple weeks or a month, or if you can until September to get an upgrade. Or option two, look for the best deal that you think is good enough for you to live by, because at the end of the day, that's what you're paying for, what you're getting. Like, if you want to get a brand new, get a brand new. You want to get a used, get a used. Me personally, if I get a used in good condition, that'll be it, because I'm saving at least 30%. At least 30%. 30 between 20 and 30% I'm saving on the used market, which is not bad. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. I appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.